Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Informative Chika here, and yes, happy ako na nagsasound dito although hindi nyo naririnig. So, okay, let's talk about earpods. So, ito ang ating mga topic today. Ito ang ating topic today. Ang AirPods. Ang AirPods ng Apple. So, eto nga. Okay, tatanggalin natin. So, ito ang AirPods. Bale, ito ay AirPods Pro Max ng Apple. So, meron po akong tatlo actually. So, dito ako nag-start. Yung sa wire. Actually, apat yata. Yung una, hindi ganito. Yung saksakan niya. Yung pabilog na na patusok, yun yung unang headset ko na mula sa Apple. So ito yung una. Nasa bahay yung yung may ibang saksakan, yung pabilog, yung litusok, yun. Nakalima yata ako actually. So ito yung hindi ko na matandaan kung anong generation to. Ito na lang, mag-isa na lang siya nahulog sa metro. Nahulog po to sa metro, so kawawa naman. Pero useful pa naman. Gumagana pa naman siya kahit mag-isa. So I bought this one 200 euros, something like that. So mahal pa nun nung kapanahunan niya. Yun, kasi nag-release na po sila ng iba't ibang klase nito. So, ito yung latest nila. So, I bought this one worth 545 euros if I'm not mistaken. Yes, ang ganda. So, let's talk about these headphones. So, pag-uusapan natin ito. Okay. So, ayon kay Wikipedia, AirPods are wired earphones designed and marketed by Apple International. So, marami namang klaseng mga headset, mga AirPods na lumabas na ngayon, but actually nasa higher level ang mga Apples. So, they were introduced in September 2012 alongside the iPhone 5 and replaced Apple's earlier circular earbuds. So, sino pa ang nakakaalala sa iPhone 5? Meron pa ako noon. Ginagamit ko na lang yun ng pang-watch. So, AirPods are characterized by an asymmetric contoured design intended to better fit the human ear. So, talaga namang saktuhan dito sa may ating tenga. And improve comfort and sound performance. Yes, sa mga may mga gamit na ganito, alam nyo po ang performance ng sounds ng inyong pinakikinggan. The AirPods are available in 3 connector options: 3.5 mm, headphone, lightning, and USB/C. AirPods were previously bundled with various iPhone models from 2012 to 2020. So, madami nang nagsilabasang upgraded AirPods nila. So, talaga nga namang ikaw na lang ang mamimili kung ano ang sakto sa budget natin. Yon. AirPods feature a rigid plastic housing with a distinctive elongated shape that rests against the concha of the ear rather than sealing the ear canal. Unlike in-ear monitors, AirPods do not use silicone or foam tips and are considered open fit earphones. Yun. So, ang history po nito ay the AirPods were initially only available with the 3.5 mm headphone connector and were first bundled with the iPhone 5. Yun. iPod Touch 5th generation. Yun nga pala. And iPod Nano 7th generation. Doon po nag-start ito. Yung paano pa niya, yung pabilog, yung tusok niya, hindi yung ganito. They feature an inline remote with playback and volume controls as well as integrated microphones. However, AirPods bundled with iPad models did not include the remote and microphone. So, AirPods with the Lightning connector were introduced in September 2016 alongside the iPhone 7, yun na, which was the first iPhone model not to include a 3.5 mm headphones connector. These AirPods are compatible with devices equipped with a Lightning port running iOS 10 or later. Because the Lightning connector does not carry analog audio, this version incorporates an internal digital to analog converter. Beginning with the release of the iPhone 12 series in October 2020, Apple ceased bundling AirPods with new iPhones, except in regions where their inclusions required by law. Apple also reduced the retail price of AirPods to coincide with these changes. After the discontinuation of the iPad product line in 2022, AirPods became available exclusively as a standalone purchase. AirPods with the USB-C connector were introduced in September 2023 alongside the iPhone 15 series. Following Apple transition from the Lightning port to USB-C on iPhone models. Yon ang ibang information about this beautiful AirPods headset or kung ano ang gusto nating itawag dito. So, ito lamang po ang ating video ngayon. So, sana ay may natutunan po tayo sa aking featured na gamit today. Ang headset ng Apple AirPods. Yan po. So, maraming salamat guys sa pagtutok sa aking informative chika video. So, kita-kita po muli tayo sa aking pang mga susunod pang vlogs. So, ingat po tayo and God bless us all. Goodbye.